Learn Kannada phrase. I need equals.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to speak survival Kannada? Today you master I need equals.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
It's your magic request spell for water, help, tickets, and snacks. Your goal today. By the end, you'll order, ask, and rescue your day with one pattern. Core pattern. I need.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Polite boost. Add please.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Negative flip. I don't need.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
Quick compare. I like.
ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Different meaning. Pronunciation beat. Clap with me and feel the rhythm. Beat. Na na ge. 2 beats. Biku. 2 beats.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Say, I need water now.
ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು.
Say, I need help, please.
ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Rhyme trick. When you need a cue, remember Baku.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Mini dialogue at the counter. Picture a ticket counter. You're cool, calm, and just a bit thirsty. Clerk, what do you need?
ಏನು ಬೇಕು?
You, I need a ticket.
ನನಗೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು.
Clerk, how many tickets?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು?
You, 1, please.
ಒಂದು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
You, post dialogue. Also, I need water.
ನನಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು.
Tiny drills. Your turn, quick-fire requests. Repeat after me. Rest for a minute. I need to rest for a minute.
ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ ಮಾಡಲು ಬೇಕು.
Urgent whisper before an exam. I need a pen.
ನನಗೆ ಪೆನ್ ಬೇಕು.
At home, I need food.
ನನಗೆ ಆಹಾರ ಬೇಕು.
Tech life. I need a charger.
ನನಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಬೇಕು.
Polite ask. I need help, please.
ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Opposite day. I don't need sugar.
ನನಗೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಬೇಡ.
Culture tip. Darshini power. Snack break. In Bengaluru's Darshini's, speed matters. If you want a hot dosa fast, say, I need a dosa.
ನನಗೆ ದೋಸೆ ಬೇಕು.
Add please for extra smiles.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
And if you're full, I don't need more.
ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಡ.
Quick quiz. Pop quiz time. You've got this. Fill the blank in Kannada. I need water.
ನನಗೆ ಅಡಿಗೆರೆ ಬೇಕು.
Answer.
ನೀರು.
Speed round. Say the Kannada for I need.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Memory hacks. Make it stick with fun. Mnemonic. Baku sounds like bake. Imagine, I need to bake.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Gesture. Tap your chest, then reach out and say.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Loci. At your sink. I need water.
ನನಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು.
In the hallway toolbox. I need help.
ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕು.
Humor hit. When your coffee cup runs away, chase it yelling I need coffee.
ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕು.
And the cup shouts back, same. Challenge time. Final boss. Mix and match in real life. At the pharmacy. I need painkillers.
ನನಗೆ ನೋವು ನಿವಾರಕ ಬೇಕು.
Tonight's plan. I need to study tonight.
ನನಗೆ ಇಂದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಓದಲು ಬೇಕು.
Travel mode. I need a map.
ನನಗೆ ನಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಕು.
Polite chain. Base.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
Negative.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ.
Super polite.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Goodbye. You did great. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
In daily moments, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun English Kannada lessons. See you next time.